Hello, second grade students. Dr. Conley here, and I'm going to catch you up on what we've been doing in the second grade. The answer is a lot, but I'm going to catch you up on all the stuff that we've been doing so far in class so that you can be smart in music. And I'm going to give you a worksheet to do at the end of this. Turn it in on Seesaw. I'll check it through. You should be good to go. It's really not that hard. Basically what we're doing is adding note values. So what I'm going to teach you right now is the note values, which some of this we actually covered in the first grade. So if you remember a little bit from the first grade, you will be set for the second grade for right now. So let's get into it. The first note value that we're going to talk about is the quarter note. Quarter note looks like this. I really hope this is in the frame. Quarter note looks like this, and it equals one beat. So when you do your worksheet, the quarter note will equal one beat. Now, if we added two quarter notes together, how much would that equal? That's right, two. See, it's just a quarter note plus a quarter note. 1 plus 1 is 2. Let's talk about another value. Let's talk about the half note. Half note looks like this, and it equals 2 claps, or 2 beats. You notice about the half note is that it's not shaded in like the quarter note. It's kind of got this blank white space here. So a half note equal 2 beats. So what would a half note plus a half note equal? You got it. A half note plus a half note equals 4. It's just 2 plus 2. Let's do 2 more values. This is a dotted half note. It equals 3. So the dotted half note equals 3. And if we added 2 dotted half notes together, that would equal 6. Let's do one more value, and this is the whole note. Not a full note, but a whole note. And can you guess how many beats the whole note gets? That's right, it gets 4 beats. Again, what if we added 2 whole notes together? That would equal 8. But we don't always add the same values together. Sometimes the same values are added together, sometimes they're not. Sometimes you can add a quarter note and a half note, which would be 3. Or a half note and a half note, which would be 4. Or a half note and a whole note, which would be 6. So let's do that right now. Okay, let's take it from here. Oh, I really hope this is in the frame. I'm praying this is in the frame. Can you see it now? Okay. So we've got a quarter note plus a half note, which is 3. That's 1 plus 3. Then over here, we've got a whole note and a half note, which is 6. That's 4 plus 2 is 6. Then right here, we've got a dotted half note plus a quarter note, which is 4. So that's the basics of adding notes together. And the reason I want you to do this is because I want you to understand the values of the notes, how much they equal. Sometimes you'll have 6 beats, sometimes you have 10 beats, sometimes you have 11 beats, 4 beats, 2 beats, whatever. As long as you know those 4 central values, quarter note equal 1, half note equal 2, dotted half note equal 3, whole note equal 4, you should be okay for now. And of course we'll get into more advanced stuff later, but just work on this for now. I'm going to give you a worksheet with about 10 problems on there, and as long as you can add 2 or 3 numbers, you should be okay. If you need help with the worksheet, happy to help you. Have your parents email me. We can Zoom. Love to Zoom with you guys. You know how much I love Zoom. So why don't you just turn it in next week. Just turn it in on Seesaw. I'll take a look at it, approve it, and then we'll get you started on some more material. Okay? Sorry, hold on. Hello? Dr. Conley, you're not funny. Yes, I am.